And more coming in on the controversy around AAP MLA and former Chief Minister Atishi. Former BJP MP Ramesh Biduri along with representatives of the Sikh community have submitted a formal complaint against Atishi. They've alleged that the words used by her in the assembly while referring to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji were highly objectionable and hurt religious sentiments. So that is the latest coming in on this. The allegation essentially from the Bharatiya Janata Party is that there were certain remarks made by Atishi and this happened while the CM ministers were participating in a discussion held as a tribute to Guru Tegh Bahadur's martyrdom. So they're calling this utterly inappropriate language during a sacred discussion and how this is a violation of parliamentary traditions and also reflects moral decline. That's the pointed allegation coming in from the BJP, and given this, the BJP has filed a formal complaint as well alongside Sikh community members. So they're lodging a complaint now as we speak against Atishi, and they say her words are highly objectionable. She's hurt the religious sentiments, she's hurt the sentiments of Sikh community members. They've also earlier submitted a letter to the Speaker and listed 3 demands: cancellation of Atishi's membership of Delhi Legislative Assembly with immediate effect, registration of a criminal case against her for allegedly hurting religious sentiments, and also how the Speaker should exercise his special privileges and powers to ensure punitive action, including imprisonment if warranted. So three key demands submitted by a BJP MLA to the Speaker. And in the meanwhile, this is the legal action that's also shaping up. We're learning now former BJP MP Ramesh Biduri along with a few representatives of the Sikh community have submitted a formal complaint against Atishi. I do want to go across to Nivedita, who joins us with more details. Nivedita, take us back in time and tell us what were these remarks raised by Atishi that have been highlighted by the BJP in raising the strong objection, because Atishi's dismissed this as nothing but a doctored video being circulated by the BJP leaders.
So, what the complaint letter that was submitted by the BJP leaders yesterday to the Speaker, it stated that she did mention a word which the Assembly is still not accepting, but they have said that it is a derogatory remark linking saying the same word with the in the same sentence where the Guru's name was being taken is being considered by mistreatment by the BJP leaders, and they have been protesting against it since past 2 days. The discussion was ongoing on Guru Tegh Bahadur's 350th and death anniversary, and the Atishi was not happy with this as she was demanding a discussion on air pollution. So she did mention some words which the BJP said are derogatory and should not have been used in the same sentence as the name of their guru.
Okay, Nivedita, let's try and understand the BJP point of view more clearly. We've seen BJP take this up legally, but let's hear it from Shehzad Poonawalla on what he makes of this comment that was first made by Atishi.
सिख गुरुओं का अपमान, यही है आम आदमी पार्टी की पहचान। कल जब दिल्ली विधानसभा हमारे महान सिख गुरुओं को सम्मानित कर रही थी, उनके विषय पर बात रख रही थी, तब नेता प्रतिपक्ष आतिशी मारलेना ने, आम आदमी पार्टी की नेत्री ने, जिस प्रकार की भाषा हमारे सिख गुरुओं के लिए की है, ये दोहराई भी नहीं जा सकती। ये अस्वीकार्य है, ये पाप है, ये आपका पाप है। आज इसके ऊपर न केवल आतिशी पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, न केवल उनको सदन से बाहर निकाला जाना चाहिए, उन पर आपराधिक मामला भी दर्ज होना चाहिए और पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान और केजरीवाल जो सुपर मुख्यमंत्री है पंजाब के लोगों को जवाब दे। चाहेंगे कि सारे जो सिख समुदाय के लोग हैं वो इनसे जवाब मांगे। ये पंजाब के लोगों का बार बार अपमान करते हैं, सिखों का बार बार अपमान करते हैं। जिस प्रकार से पंजाब की कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त कर दी है, पंजाब के लोगों के रिसोर्सेज इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं दिल्ली के हारे हुए नेताओं के शीश महल बनाने में, वीवीआईपी कॉन्वॉय बनाने में। बार बार ये हमारे सिख गुरुओं का, सिखों का और हमारे सिख आस्था से जुड़े हुए लोग चीजों का मखौल और मजाक उड़ाते हैं। ये हिंदू आस्था को भी गाली देते हैं।
Well, this is the point of view of the Bharatiya Janata Party. AAP MLAs have come out to say that the national capital demands debate on air pollution, and the Bharatiya Janata Party is repeatedly making an attempt to disrupt that and ensure that a healthy discussion doesn't take place on the air pollution crisis in the national capital. But for now, shifting our focus to more